you water love, it will grow. If you listen more, it will show. A woman's heart ain't made of stone. She needs to feel she's not alone. It's not the money or diamond ring, it's the little care that means everything. When you see her tears, don't turn away. Hold her close, hear what she says. When you treat her right, peace fill the house at night. Happy wife, happy life, love her true, love her right. When her heart feels safe inside, everything else will align. Happy wife, happy life, respect and love side by side. When the woman smiles for real, the whole world starts to heal. Yeah, she carries weight you'll never see, dreams, the pain, responsibility. Strong outside, soft within. She needs a partner, not just a king. Say thank you for the things she do. Appreciation goes far, it's true. A gentle word, a loving touch, sometimes that